It's a good size one. Oh, if he would have busted off, I got him. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys and gals. Let's not forget, for all the lady watchers out there, thank you for watching. So nice fat spotted bass here. And again, when you see those little spots on their belly, that means they're usually holding right into the mud, right on the ground. So using the Berkley Gulp, and I'm just casting out into 40 or 50, kind of just dragging it along with me. I think we're gonna have a nice picture today. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and as always, we'll see you on the next fish. Back out here at the beautiful lake, hoping to put a hurting on them. So as always, thank you for watching Common Sense Talks. Don't forget, please click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out. Just takes a second. We have a big giveaway, $200. Stay tuned. 45 to 50, and they're also, I was catching them in 10 to 20 as well. So, you know, obviously the largemouths are probably going to be more shallow than the spots, but I've pulled largemouth out of 70, 80 feet deep. So. And like I say as well, I'll be using, this is a Hog Hunter, $40 or $50 Walmart combo. I've had it for 6 or 7 years, putting plenty of 7, 8, 9 pounders in the boat with this. Also fishing 50 to 80 feet deep, and plenty of sensitive enough to catch bites on a bluebird day when it's tough as heck for a lot of other boaters. So I get spending the money on the quality stuff, don't get me wrong, but you know, if you have something, just get out there and fish. You don't need to go buy a $150, $300, you know, rod and reel to go out and catch some fish. See, like that. You just go out and fish and have fun. And see, this is the Hog Hunter, cheap $40 Walmart combo, and I'm currently fishing in 65 feet of water, and I pulled out a largemouth. Just talking about how the largies were probably going to be more shallow than the spots, and proved myself wrong. Little guy here. So thanks for watching. Proved my point, I think, you know, 60 feet, 65 feet deep, with a drop shot, I'm on it. And you don't need a G-Loomis, you don't need a Goblin, you don't need a $100 reel. You know, you just need to get out there and get on the road and fish. Right now we're currently in 35. Really awesome fishing spot. What we're in right now, this is Piney Creek. We're here just a few weeks before spawn time, probably. It's about to kick off any minute. and I'm still getting them in 50 to 60. Obviously spotted bass. And what I'm doing here is I'm still on Main Lake Points, but I'm over on, oh my God, you guys are not gonna believe this. When I just got here, I had lost a fish on the Berkeley Gulp. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I caught the same exact fish that bit earlier. That is freaking hilarious. Sucker, you came back. All right, back-to-back fish. Next cast, little guy. Largemouth? No, spot. His lateral line wasn't showing very well. Hey guys, calm down. All right. So, Berkeley Gulp. This lure is awesome, especially when the bite's tough. So, little spot bass here. Ooh, see, look at that air bladder. We're gonna have to pop that. See, this is what happens when they come from that deep. All right. Number 3 here. Bam, got him. Came out of about 50 as well. Oh, he's right in the gill. Oh, look at that. Not even really hooked. That's why it felt super weird. It's just kind of sitting in the gill slot. All right. Another spotted bass out here at Lake McClure. Catching them still in the 50-foot range using drop shot. I'm using the Berkeley Gulp here, and I'm still on Main Lake Points doing the same kind of thing I've been doing. I'm going to be also casting up shallow, looking for the largemouth. I've got a jig and some other lures we're going to be trying here, but I'm having fun catching fish. So as always, we'll see you on the next one. Don't come off. Nice. 50 feet deep. And this one is definitely a good fish. Bam. Yeah. All right. Look at that. Woohoo. Nice bass. All right. So there's a school of them down there. It was hard to get them to bite though. Had to hit it with the right angle. So we're gonna keep our best 5, take some pictures, let them go. And as always, see you on the next fish. All right guys, I want to give you guys a little tip, talk about what I'm doing here. So I'm drop shotting right now, and I wanted to show you guys a little trick. When you tie your drop shot, sometimes the hook will be sticking out, sometimes it'll be down, all kinds of weird stuff. So what you want to do is, see what I did here? Take the line and feed it through, and then pull the knot, right? If you pull it till the knot's like this, your hook will always stay out like that, ready for a nice instant hook set. You see that? So when you're using the drop shot, remember to feed your line back through. It'll keep your hook popped up like that, if you're not using a spinning drop shot hook, of course. All right guys, I want to give another little tip here on when I'm using a lure like the Berkeley Gulp, where the action is really all in the last half of the lure, and it's about how this thing has a lot of smell, flavor, taste, right? And it looks so real and it's so finesse. When I'm using a lure like the Berkley Gulp, because it's so soft, what I do is I actually feed it through so that more of the lure is on the shank of the hook instead of just nose hooking it, because then it'll rip off real easy. And with this, I'll get 3-4 fish before I have to use another minnow. And if I was just nose hooking it, I would have to use another minnow every fish I got. So again, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Boom, we'll see you on the next one. Woohoo! Come on. They're coming out of deep still. They're setting up for spawn, but they're still out here deep. Lots of chunk. Woo! Look at the belly on that. Right out here, right off that point. See the same kind of pattern I've been on for a few weeks here. Rocks, Main Lake Point, about 45 to 65, 70 feet deep. You can see the fish finder. That one in the middle, that's the cable. All the stuff on the bottom, those are fish. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Coming chasing me? What the heck are you doing, boy? Got him. All right. Another bass here. Barely hooked him. Look at that. I had him hooked. Barely. I almost missed it. I think he was about to spit it out because I felt the bite. I had the whip on him because my pole tip was too high. So we're up in Piney Creek up in McClure catching some nice spotted bass. We'll be here off of that point where I just got another one. I had about a 6 or 7 pound spotted bass. I cast it over a cable and I realized it and I started reeling my drop shot in extremely fast. And I swear to you, a giant spotted bass chased it in all the way to the boat, stopped right at the trolling motor and turned around. I'm coming back here. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Got this little dude. Yeah, ain't too little. Whew. He actually bit 3 or 4 times and I missed him every time. Fat belly though, they're eating. All right, drop shot Berkley Gulp. Again, this one came out of about 40, 45. So, I mean, they're not all super deep, obviously. But again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Wow. Oh. They're alive. We know that. Whoa, shit. They're all pissed off. Pardon my language. So we're out here catching them on the clear. They have some fat bellies, having a good time. So thanks for watching. We're gonna let these guys go. So there goes that one. There goes that one. All right. All right. And this guy trying to knock himself out. Huh? They're alive. Live well works. Apologize. Okay. My other two. All right. And there were a couple bigger ones I caught this morning that I didn't keep. So Thought I was going to get some bigger ones. So I went ahead and tossed those. But those were the 5 that I kept to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope I get a couple more fish. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bam.